take profit 1 hits, take profit 2 hits, down to even take profit 6. And several of you are still having challenges with trading gold like the way I was obviously over 4 years ago. But currently, trading gold is something really easy that you can do once you learn the ICT trading strategy and price action. If you're new to this community and trading forex has been giving you issues, you got to stay with me, calm down, chill, and we'll teach you how to trade forex profitably, just like this. All right, so let's get into the chart and I'll show you how it all plays out. But for that, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and there's a link in the description to our WhatsApp community for free signals. Make sure you join us in our community. Let's go into the chart and let me show you how the setup played out with the XAUUSD. Okay, we're currently on the chart and you can see that this is the gold USD. I have it open on TradingView and also have it open on goldcharting.com. Alright, so this is the trade we just completed that gave us 120 pips. Alright, and you can see the risk to reward ratio is 1:3, risk to reward ratio here. So it's actually a really good trade. You can also check out Euro USD, GPUSD, we have trades going there. Alright, but this is the gold, and let me show you how I got to understand the setup and how I analyze it properly. So I'm going to the higher time frame. Okay, let me take it to the 1 hour time frame so I can show you something that's going on over here. Now, so many of us talk about the ICT trading strategy. Some of us talk about the price action, break of structure, support and resistance strategies, and the rest, and it's all cool. All right, so going to the higher time frame, you're going to see the overall movement of the market and what's going on in the market. This is what I first of all found when I came to the market. That the market is kind of forming a pattern. It's a triangle pattern over here. If you look at this critically, all right, it's falling downwards. Okay, so it's falling downwards, and we're currently at this top. So this is an indication for us to go to the downside. So we already get an indication that a sell was going to occur. All right, but I didn't just jump in for a sell just like that. I first confirmed the movement of the market on the higher time frame to understand what was going on, then marked up my chart successfully. This is why this rectangle 2 is over here. So I'm going to be adding another one here so I can show you what is going on and how we got our TP position. All right, so this aspect here for our TP. All right, so basically these are final TP. Where final TP was, you can see this wick over here and see it got to our TP for going up. I'm going to explain how it is and backed a 1:2 risk reward profit. So basically this is this over here. Now after confirming this movement on the higher time frame, we're going down to the lower time frame. So I usually go from 4 to 1, from 1 to 15, just like that, and look for opportunities to enter our sell position. So basically, we saw that the market went up initially, came down, broke this structure that we formed in the past, right? But basically, from what we're seeing here, the top trend started turning to a downtrend, which means the support here became the new resistance at this level. So basically, it came down and met this position. Remember, we don't trade until we see our setup complete. So we kept on observing the market, and coming to the market this morning, I just worked on this particular zone at top and threw it out properly. All right, this particular zone. So when the market got to this point successfully, I observed the reaction of the market before entering for this sell position to complete this position. All right, so basically, let me show you how everything played out and how we could make these profits easily. Okay, so basically, from 1 hour time frame, I moved down to the 15 minutes time frame. Before we could enter for our sell position, I had to confirm the reactions around this time frame. So now we're on 15 minutes time frame. So understand that this is what the market was going through. It's up and it has gotten to this level of resistance. It meant we're in for a sell position. And some people must have sold immediately, and that would have caught a lot of pips, which is almost what we did. But we actually waited for some confirmation with some rejection candles. If you're seeing this market live, you see what's going on here. So if we come to this aspect, you can actually back test and understand what the market was doing. So basically, we see what happened here. If we were in the real time, you see it was going up, and still moving before it broke down to the downside. And after the break and retest, we could actually work with it properly. So is this breakdown, and voila, we started making our profit successfully. All right, so this trade is actually a very simple setup. Just observing support and resistance zones gave us this trade. Now, GPUSD is also in for this kind of position, but this actually was gotten through the ICT trading strategy. So basically, we can see that there's a region over here, although not fully ICT per se. You can see this candle, this red candle over here, and this red candle over here. There's a gap between their closing positions. This gap means the market was going to come back there to take more orders. So the market came back there the first time, came down, came back there second time, came down, started forming a region order zone. We kept on doing that, and up to now we are still raging here. So this is an opportunity to enter for a sell position, observing with a type stop loss and a 1:2 is reward ratio based on where the market is currently at the bottom. We can actually see how to make this trade successfully. So it's just smart money trading strategy, risk management, risk 1% of your account to 3%. Even you can use 0.5, depends on how you can take control of the market. You can make some profits. So if you're in Nigeria, you're converting your 3,000 naira to 6 to 9,000 naira daily if you make profits, or you simply just lose that 3,000 naira. So nothing much. All right, as long as you follow it properly, you can go well with forex trading. I hope you actually learned how simple support and resistance can help you, how the gap, okay, fair value gap can also help you in actually seeing that the market left some liquidation in the back and it came back here the first time, second time, forming chart patterns already for you and coming back there again in the future, showing that it's still a strong zone by resisting it. You can enter for your sell position and be expecting the market to make move in our direction, just like the way gold has done for us and we've taken our profits. And GPUSD is also revolving around this range. Euro USD is also trying to follow the system, but it's not yet there. All right, so basically, you understand this concept and we can proceed from here. So I believe you've learned a lot from this video because I probably broke down how the setup was gotten, how it was analyzed, and why we went ahead with this trade from TP1 to TP6 and everything smashed to give 120 pips. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp community for free signals, don't click on the link in the description. Join our community so I can maximize the signals we give and keep on making good gains from whatever we work with in the forex market. Remember, treat forex like a professional work and you see the good results from it. Give it the time, give it the effort, learn from a mentor. You can message me if you want to be a mentee and I'll guide you successfully in this forex trade. If you actually gained profitable knowledge from this video, do also like this video. Alright, share this video with other traders so I can learn how forex trading plays out. And subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out the next video we'll be dropping on this community. Do respect to forex. See you next on champ. Stay blessed.